Hi, Caliph. It's Matthew here, of course. So I'm going to just show you around and give you a tutorial here. So when you upgrade to premium, we'll get to that later, but just go to the money sign right here, okay? And here's the links and tracking, okay? From all of these links that you share, you can make money with, okay? Right here are your links, and that's it. Now when you go back to, well, this is my referrals right here. So I have 3 referrals and I just started this. So let's go to program details real quick. So Las Vegas Super Affiliate Conference achieved 300 premium referrals in 2020 and to earn an invitation to hang out with Kyle, Carson, and others on this all-paid private conference. Okay. Earn revenue by referring people to Wealthy Affiliate. Wealthy Affiliate has one of the most exciting affiliate programs available anywhere online, and you can earn consistent revenue by simply referring others to the community. So for instance, you earn $23.50 monthly recurring for one person. When you personally upgrade to premium, you can get this right here. You earn $175 per year with that one person when you upgrade to premium. For your conversion rate, 1 in 8 over 12% when people go premium. Okay? And you get $100+ per premium sign up, especially when you are upgraded to premium Caliph. So commissions are $8 for the first month and $19 special offer. Then after this special offer, you get $23.50 thereafter the first month. Starter members earn $4 for special offer referrals, then $11.75 monthly and $87.50 yearly commissions. And this part for starter members is when you are not upgraded to premium. But I'm going to personally upgrade to premium because it's just a better decision for me personally. And I suggest and recommend and encourage you to do so as well. Because when you upgrade to premium, every free sign up that you have, every free person that signs up with you, you get $1 for every person that signs up with you when you upgrade to premium. Okay, so I'm going to show you my stats real quick. Like I said, I just started this. So this is what my stats look like. Basically, total referrals 3, and I'm working on it and stuff. I just figured out that for every sign up is $1 when I'm upgraded to the premium membership. So I'm gonna upgrade a premium membership today. So I didn't even make any money when you signed up for this, Caliph. I just really wanted to show you this site because it's legit and people are really thriving with this platform. So here's another reason why they're really thriving with this platform is because of the online entrepreneur certification. So you get 5 courses with 50 lessons inside. The online entrepreneur certification training is a 5-phase 50-lesson series of courses walking you personally through the process of creating and growing a business within absolutely any niche that you personally want, Caliph. So here's 5 levels, and in each one of these levels there's 10 lessons. And I actually went through this a couple of years ago, so I'm gonna do it again, and because everything is starting to make sense just with this site, because you can join any affiliate program in the world and just use these steps inside of this platform here. So the affiliate, or so like here's the affiliate bootcamp, okay? Like the online entrepreneur certification is for your own business and for your own affiliate niche that you have. You can also do the affiliate bootcamp, which is 7 courses with 70 lessons inside of each course. So getting your business rolling. I finished that one. Content, keywords, and conversions. I have to actually upgrade to premium membership to unlock these next ones. But for the first month, it's $19 for me, and then it's only $49 each month after that, which is doable. And you have my training activity here, Wealthy Affiliate Bootcamp, getting started. And you have other, this is just your training activity. This is just showing how much you have done already. Now your training high quality, this is more so a blog. This is more so a blog that they have that you can check out and see and just read about the whole entire Wealthy Affiliate program just in general. So marketing and promoting your content, manual for writing a remarkable blog post. There's just, how to create a 6-figure website, which they're going to teach you that in here anyway, so you don't really need to read that. But that's what that is, Caliph. And then websites. So to start off, you can create your own website for free, and they're going to teach you in the online certification entrepreneurship certification program. So I have Wealthy Affiliate Official Review. This is what they taught me so far, and Meet the Real Matthew to Nure. Then for live events, we can schedule our own live events too, and they'll teach you how to do that in here. And then you have your research. This is only for premium only, so I am going to upgrade to premium, and I suggest and recommend that you do too, because there's way more efficiency, and because like when somebody signs up under you, Caliph, you get $1 for each sign up, and it's extremely efficient, and it's just much better. So then affiliate programs, okay? You get to search any affiliate program for popular categories: health and fitness, clothing and accessories, department store, garden, car rental, accessories, women, men, just anything, Caliph. So you get to also live chat with people. Your unlimited live chat access ends in 3 days. Okay, so upgrade to premium for unlimited chat, and I am gonna upgrade to premium as soon as I get off talking to you. And you get a help center. Okay, so you get your site support. You get to ask a question, get answers from the community, live chat, live help and discussion, private messaging. These are your premium coaches, Carson, Kyle, and Derup Kitu. These are the 2 coaches that are co-founders and partners in this business, and he came along later on. And that's basically it. These are the people that made it to Las Vegas last year with his affiliate program. And you can read all of this on your own when you have time to do this. So I really suggest that you upgrade to premium, because it's going to be very beneficial to what you do, and especially with the path that you're on, Caliph. I believe that you are going to become a man that adds true value unto this company and unto starting out your career, what you do with your business and how you can integrate it with your lifestyle. I believe it's great for you. Okay, I'm gonna head out, Caliph. If you have any questions, you can text me. Okay, peace out, brother.